These are the formulas. Okay, these are the examples. If they are giving you the question is in this way. Okay, you are having the numerator is linear. What do you mean by linear? There is no squares or cubes in the numerator. And in the denominator, if you are having in this form like x minus 2, x minus 3, and x minus 4, they all are separate in brackets. There are no direct squares over here. It's not x square, x cube plus 5x square plus 6x. If it is in this form, then what will you do? You will write it as a by, this is equal to a by x minus 2, b by x plus 2, c by x plus 1. Okay. Now, if the denominator is in cube, x minus 1 cube, okay, here as you can see the numerator, the degree of the numerator is smaller than the degree of the denominator. It means that the degree of x is 1. But if I, in the denominator, if I see x into x, x square, x, then x square into x, x cube. So in the numerator you are having x, but in the denominator you are having x cube. Okay, so denominator is a degree of denominator is more than the degree of numerator. Okay, for this one. So we are using this formula. Okay, this is most commonly used formula. Next is degree. Here also degree of numerator is smaller than degree of denominator, but we are having x minus 1 whole cube. So we will just put x minus 1 is equal to y. Okay, and now for this one, here 1 by x cube. So if it is given to us 1 by x cube, then we will write x by a by x plus b by x square plus c by x cube. Okay, a by x plus b by x square plus c by x cube. And for d we will write 1 d by x plus, because we have done this part, but this part is still left. So for this part, I am writing this. Okay, for this part, 1 by x cube, I am writing a by b by and c by. Okay, now x square plus 1 by x square plus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to. So here as you can see, the numerator is, the denominator is in square. So both numerator is also in square, denominator is also in square. So it means that in this cat, as you can see, the numerator and denominator both are having square and square. So degree of numerator and degree of denominator is same. So what are we doing is, if you get in this form, x square plus 4, okay, such form, then what will you do? X a plus ax plus b by x square plus 4. Ax plus b by x square plus 4. Okay. For this part, what are we doing? Ax plus b by x square plus 4. And if you're having cube in the numerator and power 6 in the denominator, x square plus 1 whole square. Then what will we do? We'll consider this as x and we'll write it as, here we are having whole cube. So x plus ax plus b by x square plus 1 and cx plus d by x square plus 1 whole square. Okay. And now for the next question, if they are giving you like this, we have learned long division method in class 8th and class 10th, right? So we'll just apply the long division method and we'll get quotient, okay, divisor and the numerator. Next, if you are getting in this form, you can just write it as a by x minus 1 and b by x minus 2. Okay. Then if you are getting in this way, this is also very important. X cube by x 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 2 and 2x plus 3. So denominator and numerator are both are having same. So a by x by x y plus c by z, like half plus a by x minus 1 b by plus b by x minus 1 c by x minus 3. Clear? So this is the concept, and you just have to remember these few formulas and you have to apply them while solving questions. Okay. Now comes the main part. Here questions are very interesting. So first let's take here. Resolve x plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 1 into partial fraction. So they have given you this fraction and they want it to make it into partial fraction. So this is in which form? As you can see, x square minus 4 can be written as x square minus 2 square, and this is in the form of a square minus b square. If it is in the form of a square minus b square, we'll write it as a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. X square minus 2 into x plus 2. Okay. So we'll have three equation in denominator. So we'll write it as a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus x plus 2 plus c by x plus 1. Now what are we doing is we are multiplying. Okay, this LHS will remain same. LHS will remain same. But for the RHS side, with A we will multiply x plus 2 and x plus 1. With A we are multiplying x plus 2 and x plus 1. With B we are multiplying x minus 2 and x plus 1. And with C we are multiplying x minus 2 and x plus 2. Okay. With A we are multiplying x plus 2 and x plus 1. With B we are multiplying this, and with C we are multiplying this. Clear? So we'll get this equation. And as you know, denominators will also multiply. It's like x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 1. Now what are we doing is we are equating the numerator and the denominator. We are equating the LHS side because these two sides will cancel, as you can see. This side gets cancelled out. What is left? X plus 4 is equal to a into x plus 2 in. Okay, this whole side is left because denominator will get cancelled out from this side and this side. So what will be left? This part and this part will be left, and we are just writing this part and telling it as equation number 1. Understood till here? So now what are we doing is we know x minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 equals to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Now send this 2 to right hand side, send this minus 2 to right hand side, send this 2 to right hand side, and send this 1 to right hand side. So it will become x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 1. Right? We got three values of x now. Right? X is equal to 2, minus 2, and minus 1. Okay, 2, minus 2, and minus 1. So put x is equal to 2 in the equation. So what are we doing is we are putting x is equal to 2 and we are equating. Okay. So in this equation, we are putting x is equal to 2. Okay. So 6 is equal to a into 2 plus 2, 4 into 2 plus 1, 3. So your value of a will be 1 by 2. And if you substitute over here, x is equal to 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 2 will become 0. So this whole part becomes 0. If you substitute over here, this whole part becomes 0. So only this part will be left, and in this part we are substituting 2, and we'll get the value of a as 1 by 2. Clear? Now we are substituting x is equal to minus 2. Okay, if you substitute x is equal to minus 2, this part will become 0, this part will also become 0. X is equal to minus 2, this 2 will become 0. What will be left? This part and this part will be left. So substitute x is equal to minus 2. So we'll get 2 is equal to b into minus 4 into minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1. Finally, b will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then we are substituting x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 4 is minus 3. Sorry, plus 3. And if you substitute minus 1 over here, this will also be, so this whole will become 0. Here this will become 0, so this whole will become 0. We will be only left with c into x minus 2 into x minus x plus 2. So finally c is equal to minus 1. Okay, c is equal to minus 1. So finally you will get this equation. A is 1 by 2, b is 1 by 2, and c is minus 1. Okay, but in this equation we are substituting the values. In this equation, what are we doing? We are substituting the values. Resolve x square plus 5x plus by x minus 3 whole square. Okay, into part. If it is giving you in this form, just put this is equal to y. Now what is x is equal to? X is equal to y plus 3. Know the value of x, the value of x. Wherever you are having x, just put 3. Wherever you are having x, just substitute. After substituting y plus 3, x plus 3 whole plus 2 into 3 into y. You already know the formula, right? X plus a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, y square plus 6y plus 9. Now 5 into y, 5y, and 5 into 3, 15. When is the constant, it will remain same. Okay, instead of x, y. Okay, now we can easily simplify. X square by y cube, 11y by y cube, and y cube. And instead of y, now you can substitute x minus 3. Okay, instead of y, now you can substitute x minus 3. So with this, we have done this question. So in this question, they are asking us to resolve x square plus 13x plus 15 by 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 whole square into the sum of partial fractions. So as you can see, x plus 3 whole square can be written as x plus or what we are doing over here is a by, okay, what was for 1 by x square is equal to a by x plus b by x square. Okay, so a by 2x plus 3 plus b by x plus 3 and c by x plus 3 whole square. Okay, now multiply these two with a and these two with b and these two with c and multiply the full denominator. After doing that, you will get this equation. Okay, here this denominator and this denominator will get cancelled out. Okay, after cancelling out both the denominators from LHS and RHS side, we can equate the numerators of LHS and RHS. Now, as you can see over here, the values are given to us. Is 2x plus 3 is equal to x is equal to minus 3 by 2. X is equal to minus 3. Okay. So first we are substituting x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 in this equation. If you substitute 9, 13 into minus 3 minus 39 and 15 is equal to c into 2 into minus 6 minus 3 is minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So finally you will get minus 3c is equal to 15. So finally 5. Next we are substituting x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So instead of x in this equation, you're substituting minus 3 by 2. That the c will become 0. Also become 0. Okay. So substitute the value minus 3 by 2 instead of x. Get the answer as 9 by 4 minus 39 by 2 plus 15 is equal to a into 9 by 4. Finally, we'll get the value of a. Okay, we got the value of c, we got the value of a. Now what are we doing is we are just equating the coefficients of x square. The number before x square means before x square nothing is there, means it's 1. So 1 is equal. Now if I open this, x square plus 6x plus 9, right? A plus b whole square plus 6x plus 9. From that, what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square will be a. Then over here, 2x into x, that will be 2x square. 2x square into b will be 2x square b. Right? So what is the so finally value of a is minus 1 and you will get the value of b. All right. The value of a is minus 1, b is 1 and c is 5. We'll get this as the final answer.